Okay, so this is how you go to join a class on Google Classroom using the class code. So first, your student needs to be logged in to their Wake ID. If you do not know your student's Wake ID information, please contact your homeroom teacher and they can help you get that set up. So you go to wakeid.wcpss.net and they're going to click student and put in their Wake ID. Then it's going to ask them to input their password. From Wake ID, there's an icon that says Google Classroom. They're going to click on that icon. If they're already signed up for a class, it will appear here. If someone has invited them to join a class, it will appear here. For example, this person has an invitation to join a 5th grade class, so they would press join. But if you only have a class code, you go up to the corner to this plus button and join class. It's going to ask you for a code. This is where you input the class code that we've shared with you. The one that I'm using in this example is the class code for kindergarten. So you type it in just the way it is. We would suggest copy and paste. And then you go to the top and press join. What that's going to do is it should take you to that Google Classroom. So I just joined the Kindergarten Specials class. So now you are joined to that classroom. So next time you go to Google Classroom, from your Wake ID, you would hit Google Classroom and then you would click on that class. So kindergarten, when it's time for your specials, you would go to Google Classroom, click Kindergarten Specials, and it'll take you right inside of the Google Classroom. If you need any help, please let us know.